Today I'm going to be doing my stretch twist out using Maui hair products, and these hair products are, very affordable. I've been seeing mixed reviews on them, so I just wanted to try them out on myself. I know that when, I'm going shopping for natural hair products, my soul, my heart kind of breaks when I'm spending more than like $15 on natural hair product. So I thought about like finding more inexpensive hair products to use that will work on my hair. So I just want to try it on my channel. I'm going to be using the Maui curling foam mousse, and this was about $6 or $7 at Walmart. I'm also going to be trying the Maui hair butter. That is also about $10 to $11 at Walmart. So right now my hair is stretched. I didn't blow dry my hair. I used the banding method to stretch my hair. Once I did my first twist out on stretch hair, I absolutely loved it. So now I'm going to, keep my hair stretched and do twist outs on my hair. I'm going to get started. This Maui vanilla bean hair butter is mainly used as a deep conditioning treatment or a leave-in treatment. However, I did not use it as instructed. I mainly use this hair product as a styling cream. When I first looked at the packaging, I honestly thought this was a styling aid. When you think of hair butters, you think of like a styling cream or anything of that sort. This hair butter contains humidity resistant abilities. It also has kukui nut oil, which is an ancient Hawaiian secret that helps lock in moisture, and it helps make the most style stubborn locks soften, smooth, and frizz free. Okay, so products that claim to be resistant from humidity or is frizz free is a gimmick. I feel like if your hair is gonna frizz out that day, it's gonna frizz out that day. Or maybe I just haven't found the right product to help combat frizz or humidity. I don't know. I just feel like it's just a ploy for us to buy the product. Now we're going to talk about Maui Moisture Flexible Hold Coconut Milk Curl Foam Mousse. It has no alcohols, parabens, or silicones. This mousse is supposed to give you a nice and shiny flake-free hold without drying your locks. It's made with 100% aloe vera as the first ingredient. This product was made to quench your hair and give it the nourishment and softness it needs with an infusion of coconut milk and mango butter. This vegan silicone-free blend helps keep frizz at bay and coils hydrated and crunch-free. Once again, I honestly do not believe in frizz-free products. I don't think that their true purpose is to actually combat frizz, but overall I thought that the pump on the mousse was very cute and different. I don't think it made a difference as to how the product came out of the bottle, but it was cute. Both of the smells of the products were very pleasant. I wasn't bothered by the smells of both products. I did enjoy the products. They were very moisturizing. I didn't think my hair was dried out by the end of my takedown process. Alright, so I finally finished with my hair. Y'all don't pay attention to this, but I finished my hair. These are some, I think they're big, juicy twists. They're good size, but not too big, not too small. And I'm getting pretty tired. It's late, and some of them may be too small, too big, but doesn't matter. We'll see in the morning how. Not in the morning. I'm gonna let these set for a day, and then before I go to work on Monday, I'm gonna show you guys how it looks. So keep watching.
Tell me, do you think I'm being sentimental? 'Cause all this time I've been trying to work out what it was. Brought me close to you, wish I could feel it now. Baby, I'm not gonna help you make decisions, 'cause I need some time for you to know if this is best for us. If I don't think it's right, you think I'm wrong. Tell me, do you think I'm being sentimental? 'Cause all this time I've been trying to work out what it was. Draw me close to you, wish I could feel it now. Wish I could feel it now.
Finally finished taking down my hair, but here is the rough finished look. I had to rush and take down my twist because I was getting ready for work, so there was some more frizz than usual, but it still came out pretty cute. I did like it, but by the end of my work day, this twist out didn't even last a full day, and that's because it was raining the day I went to work. But by the time I got home, I had a full on afro. But yeah, it didn't combat, it didn't combat the frizz. But I just thought, the products were nice. But yeah, y'all, if y'all enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up, leave me a comment down below, and of course subscribe to my channel to see more content from me, and see you all in the next video. Bye.
But I thank y'all for the support. I thank God. Yeah, I thank y'all for the support. I like the comments, even the bad ones. Y'all, I appreciate y'all. I know I'm rich with no chick, but when all this stuff over, I hope somebody send me some money so I could be rich with a check. Period. And I mean that.